Hi, welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Holiday, Florida. This is another film of that orange 45 SE. We've already tested it out, and just to let you know, it's on a pallet. It's going to be ready to be shipped to California. We added on the safety guard here for the pulleys to make sure that we got safety here, as well as just testing the unit out, making sure it's got excellent heat and suction. Everything tested out beautiful. And this is going to be ready to be cardboarded and shrink wrapped and sent to California. And we got more units, as you can see over there. We've been really busy. We have another 47 XL over there. We've got another one in there. It's really busy. People look, they look to see the quality of what we're putting together, the passion and the quality of all the stainless braided hoses, open concept, quarter plate for your base plate, all powder coated, super heavy construction. And that's what we do at Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Holiday, Florida. Call us at 727-505-2989 or look us up online 24/7 on the truckmountstore.com. Thank you.